Oh, heavy is. As you can see, I've been flat out sanding down. Bring it on a bit of a tour of it now. I'm using the 4CR metallic putty, as you've probably seen, and it is absolutely class. It's nice to sand down. It's nice to put on. It's got the added bit of structural integrity to it then as well, with the bits of steel molding together, say. But it's class, lads. I absolutely love the 4CR metallic putty for all that heavier stuff. So I want to just sand down here and get some more on it probably, and try and get as much of this side and primer as I can. And we'll get some more epoxy primer on the far side and stuff. So let's just crack on. Sanded down with 180 grit sandpaper. That's the epoxy primer sanded down now. That's kind of ready for a few bits of filler here and there, so it needs a bit of filler here, massive shout out to Parts for Cars, guys. I bought this was an extra one, but there was a set of blocks and they were like €37 or something. Unbelievable. Got me out of this job, out of this hole. And speaking of getting me out of a hole, the guy that owns this is kindly donating a 7-piece panel beating kit. That's Kieran Kennedy from Gory Motor Club. So that's a bit stiff there, the dolly, but I've got a D-shaped dolly. I've got a couple of dollies and a couple of panel hammers. Happy days, guys. So let's get to working on one of these now. We'll use this one. Blow the dust off them. They are just deadly. And ironically enough, me and my brother were only talking about a panel beating set there the other day. As you might have seen that I was using a hammer. I probably put it in the video somewhere there that I got a hammer off my brother. But it was just ironic enough that Kieran gave me a set of these here. So I want to get this tint out of here a little bit. It's a little high here, as you can see. Lovely. Just a little high there now as well. sanding. Okay, so here we have a small section of filler. You need round two anyway, that's for sure. That's great, man, that's great. May as well get close up and personal, lads. May as well. Sanding block from parts from cars, boy. Good Lord. Okay, so we are after moving to the other side finally. Now, what I want to do here is, I could see what was happening over there on that door when I came to sanding down and seeing the dinges and stuff that's in it. Now this door has got a little bit more damage on it. There's a dinge in it the whole way here, a little upwards dinge here, and there's another one here, and there's probably another one down the bottom here somewhere. There it is. But yeah, what I did was I put a bit of the rally spray on it just to highlight the highs and lows, so you can see it now with the 180 grit sandpaper. But it'll only take me a second or two to sand it down, and you'll see the little highs and lows, and then we'll just we'll approach them accordingly. Tap them in anyway. Let me sand down a little bit more. Okay, now that is all sanded down. This door and this door is sanded down on the passenger side. The driver's doors are sanded down. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put a bit of filler or the metallic putty where I see it fit. We're going to put on some metallic putty in the places that it needs it, and then we'll put a skim of filler on the places that it needs it then as well. So a soft putty or fine putty, whichever it is. Yeah, and then I want to also get the quarter panel epoxy primer on the pillow and the sill, but I'll do that after I get these doors primered up, because I can take these doors off, we can strip the front, the doors the far side can come off, I can get started to prep up for paint of the body. We do still have to doctor up the roof a little bit, so yeah, let's get some metallic putty on this now. First we want to blow her off though. There from the shaded areas, so let's get some putty in that.
But yeah, the realize there is but then do that. You know, that's something like I do like 4 years. It's like, I had a specific one, so that is really like 1 year or something. But now that's I look at that. So like you have to take it, you have to fight it. I feel like a class of it, and they're not there. I don't know. It's not good. It's really good. You know, you got to like, so like I have a lot of family. Some of those different but I feel like what I'm going to do is kind of walk. I think it is just one that not about that but like about the music but that heavy and look awesome about that but these people that's what I got but that was like people around the fighter I ran a big debate with them it's funny different between when I got them but I feel like a small type of food it's good but it's exactly the best to have a couple value style this is done very well yeah that's it so you can talk about it it's not a normal thing but you can move there and then oh yeah you know totally it's not probably better off
rock solid. Learn so much. So that one there will stick a full one on it. And hopefully, going up to pair 2 pairs again now to hopefully see they have more longies on the table, because we didn't have any at all when I was there last week. And we'll just continue sanding.